So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $5 daily on this particular app. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, guys. So just stay tuned and watch till the end and follow the step-by-step guide I will be showing you guys in this video. Okay, let's proceed. Now this is the platform. You click on start earning, you click on sign up, put in your email address or password, and make sure you input this code, this particular referral code I'm going to be showing you guys, to get your first $1 on this particular app, guys. It's a survey app and it's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you guys how to do survey and make your first cent on this particular app. Watching this video to the end will give you that guarantee. So let's proceed to our sign up. Okay, now they have given us our first $1 for signing up with that referral code. Now let's proceed to verification. Verify your email for you to get that $1. Now click on verify email for that $1 to reflect on your account. Okay, now this is our $1. As you can see, it's very easy. Just use that particular. I'll be dropping the referral code and the link to this app on the description or my comment box, guys. So let's go to survey. Now this is our first survey which we are going to be taking. Turn on your notification, which I'm going to be doing in seconds. Now stay tuned and I will show you guys how to take survey on this app to start earning whatever they're going to pay you. And it depends on your location, guys. It depends on your location to earn on this app. It depends on your location. Now this is my first survey and it's all about me, my qualification. This is my first survey, guys. If you don't know your postal code during this first survey, you can search it on Google. It's very easy to get your postal code. It's very easy. Just search on Google and Google will give it to you. Now, so let's continue, guys. Now I'm going to be filling every box, every detail on this particular survey. Now let's go for finish and let's wait for some seconds. Okay, you can see they have given us our first payment. Okay, let's move on to the next survey. Let's see what we are going to be doing on that survey. Now let's go to the next survey, guys. This is very easy. It's very easy. You can make a lot from this. Okay, our first survey is from Poolfish. It's very easy, guys. We all know Poolfish is a popular survey site. So our first survey here is which of the following does not have wheels? Elephant. We all know elephant doesn't have wheels. So which one is the second? What is your year of birth? I'm going to be choosing this one. Now, and the next one is language, which is English. I'm going to be selecting English and proceed to the next one. What is your gender? I'm a male. What is your zip code? I've told you guys it's very easy to get a zip code. Just search it on Google. So this is my zip code. I'm going to input it and wait for some time if I'm going to be getting my location from this zip code. It's very easy. Just search on Google. Okay, this is my own zip code here. I'm going to be selecting the first one because that's where I live. That's where I stay, guys. It's very easy to get a zip code. Now let's click on the first one. That is where I live and proceed. Now let's move on to our next question. Please specify your current marital status. I'm single. And let's move on to the next. How many children do you have? I have none because I'm single, guys. I'm single, so I have none. The next one is please specify the highest level of education you have completed. And this one you can choose either high school, middle school, or vocational technical college, university, or postgraduate. Which I will be selecting university on this particular one because I finished university. So our next one is please choose what best describes your employment status. Self-employed. I'm self-employed, guys. Which indicate which of the following best describes your primary area of employment. This one you can choose where you belong. So I'm going to be choosing arts and entertainment. Our next one is please specify your ethnicity. I'm black. I'm going to be choosing black. Please indicate your total household income. I'm going to be choosing the second one. You can choose anyone from this particular one, guys. It's very easy. What is a primary role in your organization? Owner or partner? I'm owner or partner. Approximately how many employees work at an organization? 2 to 5. It's very easy, guys. So just stay tuned and wait for your payment. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this video, for more videos like this. As you can see, it's very easy. You don't have to waste time on this. You can earn as much as you want.